Hi, I'm Bob Sherwood. Welcome to Amazing Home Hacks. Today we're going to look at two cordless screwdrivers that have a lot of similarities, but they also have some key differences that you're going to want to know about. These are handy items to have around the home or the workshop. They speed up assembly time for do-it-yourself furniture, for toys, and are great for small home improvement projects. And they make great gifts. So here we go with a side-by-side comparison, and then I'm going to take one of these and put it to a real-life test. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the TOPSHAK and the Reorganize cordless screwdrivers. Both of them are made in Asia. The TOPSHAK is made in China and the Reorganize is made in Vietnam. Both of them are 4 volts. And both of them have a built-in lithium-powered battery. Both of them come with a charging cable. The Reorganize unit has a specific charger that just fits this particular tool. TOPSHAK comes with a standard USB cable that has a micro B adapter on it. An advantage to this is these are readily available. If you lose that, then you're going to be looking to buy another one. The Reorganize comes with one double-sided screwdriver bit. It's Phillips on one side and slot on the other. And the TOPSHAK comes with this little cube that holds 32 different screwdriver bits in it. It also has this little flexible collar that you can use to get into tight spaces. The Reorganize and the TOPSHAK are both a single speed, forward and reverse, forward and reverse. Now the TOPSHAK has got a clutch in it, so there's 6 different settings, torque settings for the clutch, and 1 setting for drill driving. The Reorganize, there's no clutch and there's no torque settings on it. Also, the TOPSHAK has a little light in it, so you can see where your bit is pointed to. It also has a secondary flashlight on the back, just in case you need an extra little light in your toolbox. The Reorganize doesn't have either of those features. And one final feature is that although they're both sort of straight-on screwdriver design, the TOPSHAK also has the ability to pivot. So you can change this into a pistol grip, and there's 2 different settings for that. That's a handy feature that's not available on the Reorganize. There's a lot of features in this TOPSHAK model, but let's see how it works. And then we'll compare the prices and see which provides the best overall value. Stay tuned. So now I'm going to take this TOPSHAK tool and I'm going to put it through the paces. I've got one of those learning towers I'm going to assemble, and I'm going to use this tool for all the screws. Then if there's any juice left over, I'm going to try and drill a couple of screws into a 2x4. Overall, I'd say this is a pretty impressive little tool. It's got lots of power, lots of features, it's easy to use, and pretty dependable. So if you're interested in a little cordless screwdriver, this might be something for you to have a really good look at. The price for this is less than $20. And you can pick that up online through Bangood.com. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks, and be sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now. Neither of them has a power gauge, so you really don't know how you're doing with power.